Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to restore missing contacts in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accounts and backup. Now from here click on restore data. Now from here choose the backup that you want to use and then select contacts. Now after selecting contacts, click on restore and then it will restore the missing contacts in your mobile. So it will take few minutes to restore your contacts. So that's how you can restore missing contacts in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.